Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
What if a machine could build your YouTube videos and post them while you slept? Not help you make them, all of them on its own. And when it's done, you own the agent that built it. You don't rent it. Give me 2 minutes. I'm not going to tell you how it works. I'm going to show you. You've probably wanted this for a while now. A channel that runs itself. A real thing you own. That keeps posting while you're out living your life. So you tried the AI tools. And here's what nobody tells you up front. They don't do the work. They just answer questions. You still write it. You still make it. You still post it every day. Forever. Or you found one of those faceless AI tools that promise to do the whole thing. But look closer. You're building on their servers. By their rules. Renting your access for as long as they let you, and the day they change the deal, or cap you, or just shut the doors, it all stops. The engine that made and posted everything. Gone overnight. And here's the part that really stings. The hardest part of this was never posting a video. It's tuning the AI until the content feels right. The style, the rhythm, the voice, everything that makes your channel the channel. The reason people subscribed in the first place. That's months of tuning. And it's all locked inside a tool you don't own. Lose the tool, and everything that made your channel itself goes with it. A new tool inherits none of it. You start from zero, the slope creeps back in, and the audience you built feels the drop and drifts away. That's the trap. You never owned the thing doing the work or the tuning that made it worth watching. So the day it's gone, so is everything it was doing for you. Faceless Forge works the other way around. And I'll prove it. Right now, watch. Watch this, every frame of this video, the story, the voice, every image, an AI agent made all of it. No camera, no editor, no one touching it. And when it's finished, it posted itself to YouTube. Here's how it did it. On its own, it picked a topic, a vault worth $22 billion that no one will open. It wrote the script, the whole story, beat by beat. It generated the visuals, 10 cinematic shots from a single line of text. Then it voiced it, scored it with its own music, and published it. You pointed at a niche. It does the rest, every day. And that wasn't a one-off. That video lives on a real channel the agent runs, one of several, video after video, posted almost every day. Nobody's sitting there making them wonder. Mystery, money, psychology, real channels, in real niches, everyone built and posted by the agent. I'm not the story here, the machine. It's already doing this, right now while we're talking. So here's the part that matters most. You don't rent this, you own it. The agent runs on a computer you control. One payment, no subscription, no monthly meter, nobody who can raise the price on you, or cap you, or pull the plug. Rent a tool, and you're building on borrowed ground. The day the rent goes up, or they close the doors, you're back to nothing. Own the agent, and it's yours. Your channels, your content, your data, yours to keep, and you're not starting from a blank agent you have to tune for months. Faceless Forge hands it to you already, dialed in, the same agent that made the video you just watched. You point it at your niche, and that tuning is yours from day one, and there's no ceiling. A rented tool only goes as far as they built it to go, hit that wall, and you're stuck. Own the agent, and there's no wall. It's yours to shape and push as far as you want. And it doesn't stop at YouTube. The same video the agent makes, it reshapes and posts to 5 platforms: YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and Threads. One build, 5 places on its own. So really, this comes down to 2 roads. Down one, you keep doing it the way it's always been, grinding it out by hand, or renting a tool that owns you right back and can pull the plug any day. Either way, you never actually own it. Down the other, you own the agent that does the whole thing for you. And you can have the whole thing set up this weekend in a single day. You've seen it work, you've seen the channels it runs. The button is right below this video. Own the agent that builds your channels. Don't rent it. Click below and I'll see you inside.